Election of the Deputy Speaker. The following nominations have been received by the Goa Legislative Secretariat for the election of Deputy Speaker. Sri Isidore Alexino Fernandez, proposed by Sri Dayanand Raghunath Sopte, seconded by Sri Subhash Shirwadkar. Sri Isidore Alexino Fernandez, proposed by Srimati Alina Saldana, seconded by Sri Praveen Zati. Under Rule 9, Subclause 3 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the Business of the Goa Legislative Assembly, if only one member remains nominated, he shall be declared elected and it shall not be necessary to make a formal motion in their behalf. I hereby declare Cesar Alexino Fernandez elected to the post of Deputy Speaker of the House and offer him my hearty congratulations. I request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister, and Sri Digambar Kamath, Leader of Opposition, to escort newly elected Deputy Speaker to his seat.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, I rise to congratulate our colleague Sri Isidore Fernandez for having got elected unanimously as the Deputy Speaker of this House. Speaker sir, Isidore Fernandez खूप फाटी स्पीकराच्या चेराचे बसला as on the panel, being on the panel of presiding officers. आणि त्या थोड्या पिरियडा भितर सुद्दां ताणें आपली झलक दाखयल्या. म्हणजे आता ताजो चड 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 रोल म्हणजे अपोजिशनाक कशा पद्दतीन चड उलोवपाक दिवप, अपोजिशनाचो आवाज कशा पद्दतीन आयकप, ही चड जबाबदारी आता ताजेर आहा.
डेप्युटी स्पीकर म्हणून चूज जाला ह्या हावजांत ताजें हांव अभिनंदन करतां. खरें म्हणजे बाब इजदोर हो खूब एक्टीव आसा, काम करपाक तो सदांच मुखार, गरीब लोकांकूय हातभार लावपाक मुखार. फक्त एकूच चूक ताणें केली त्या वेळार, नाजाल्यार तो सदांच आमचे बरोबर उरतलो आशिल्लो. आनी ती चूक ताका हांवें सांगल्या आनी ही एक्सेप्टेड, आनी त्या खातीरूच तो सांगतलो तो आभार मानतना तो सांगतलो तुमकां.
To congratulate our newly elected Deputy Speaker of this House, Shri Isidore Fernandez, a simple, a humble person from the southern part of Goa, that is Kankon, whom all the people whom he represents. Today, our government and our Chief Minister, Shri Pramodji Sawant, our Bharatiya Janata Party, आमचे पार्टयेचेर तेणें विश्वास दवरलो आनी 10 जाण ते सगळे जाण भितर सरले आमचे हितून.
हांव उबो रावला कॉंग्रेस करपाक. म्हगेलो इश्ट इजिदोर फेर्नांडीस डिप्युटी स्पीकर जाला. मायकल सांगा त्या प्रमाणे 27 जाण तुमी सांग एको ना आहले आनी घातले कोण कॅन्डिडेट रे? कितें कोण कॅन्डिडेट घालपा जाता कोणें? ना रे घातो कोण घातो रे? आतां 27 तुमी आतां घालपाक कोण हें तरी आहा, ताकद तरी आहा. त्या भायर हांव आनी बायलांक सपोर्ट करता तुका, हांव आनी बायलांक सपोर्ट करता तुका. म्हणजे 28 जाय तुमी, तुका आनी कोण घातो रे कॅन्डिडेट?
I rise to congratulate the newly elected Deputy Speaker of this House, Mr. Isidore Fernandez. And I सदांच म्हणटा इजिदोर म्हणटा तो एक चड हुशार मनीस म्हणून. तो कित्यान हुशार तें हांव सांगना, तेका खबर आहा. बट ओन्ली थिंग इन माय लायफ आय हॅव सीन दॅट ही वॉज माय व्हेरी गुड एडवायझर.
Congratulate our newly elected unopposed Deputy Speaker, Mr. Isidore Fernandez. In fact, आमी ताका already पळयल्लो आसा as a presiding officer when he took the chair as a speaker. He seems to be full of discipline, strictness. पण तरी आसतना आमी रुलिंगान आसात तें खरें. तूं त्या वटेन नासलो, आतां तूं त्या वटेन गेलो पळय हांगा एकदम लागचो आसलो मुखार, आतां मातसो पयस पावलो. पण तरी आसतना ह्या वटेन येवन ताका फल मेळलें एज अ डेप्युटी स्पीकर. ते आमचे व्हडलेपण, आमचे पक्षाचे and आमचे Honorable Dr. Pramod Sawant. We take everybody along with us.
Speaker sir, I rise to congratulate my friend Isidore Fernandes. पहिले सुवातेर एक ट्रू लीडर जो पणजे सिटीन रावून काणकोणचे लोक ताका निवडून हाडटा म्हणून आनी तो 4th टायम MLA जेन्ना आमी जेन्ना 10 जाण क्रॉस ओवर केले पक्षांतर केले आनी जेन्ना आमकां ऑफर आसली की डेप्युटी CM तुमच्या हितूनसून जावंक जाय म्हणून तेन्ना आमी पयलीं अनएनिमस ताका तेणें डेप्युटी CM जावपाची ऑफर दिली आनी तो जालो आनी तेज्या उपरांत ह्या हावजान अनएनिमसली जालो आनी तेजें मोठेपण म्हणजे जेन्ना तो पयलीं 3 फावटी आमदार जावन सुद्दां 10 वर्सां गॅप दवरून सुद्दां आनी ह्या वयार चवथ्यांदा निवडून येयलो तेन्ना खरेखरच तो कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन आनी एक अभिमानाक आसा.
स्पीकर सर, आज आमचो इश्ट न्यूली इलेक्टेड डेप्युटी स्पीकर जाल्लो आसा अनोपज. हांवूय ताका कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. हांव म्हज्या नांवान सांतांद्री मतदारच्या सगल्यांच्या नांवान ताका अनेक फावट कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आनी बरो तुवें सगल्यांक जस्टीस दिवचो म्हूण मागता.
आजो सोबीत दीस. ह्या दिसाक सावजी महाशय तुमकां एक बरो एफिशियंट कापास्तादीचो असो जोडीदार मेळिल्लो आसा इन द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ मिस्टर इजिदोर फेर्नांडीस एज द डेप्युटी स्पीकर ऑफ दीस हावस. म्हाका खात्री आसा की बाबा इजिदोर आपलो जो अनुभव आसा कारण बऱ्याच वेळार ह्या खुर्चेचेर ताका आमी पळयल्लो आसा आनी ज्या पद्दतीन तो ह्या हावसाचें कामकाज हाताळटा म्हाका म्हणून दिसता की ह्या हावसाची शान जी आसा पळय न्ही ती आनीकय वाडटली नक्कीच.
ह्या विधानसभेचो डेप्युटी स्पीकर म्हणून तांची आज नेमणूक जाल्ली आसा हाच्या खातीर पयले सुवातेर ताचें मना पासून अभिनंदन करता. हांवें ताका सांगपाची गरज ना, शिकोवपाची गरज ना कारण म्हाजेकून ते सिनियर आसात. पण डेफिनेटली स्पिकराचे खुर्चेर बसतकच ह्या सभागृहान आमी जे मेंबर आहात हांकां कशें सांबाळून घेवपा जाय हे बऱ्यापैकी तांकां खबर आहा.
I rise to congratulate Sri Isidore Alishing Fernandes on being elected as the Deputy Speaker of this August House. Speaker sir, I was one of the proposers and I did this because he is a personality that inspires confidence. He has been in the field of politics for a long period.
I stand here to congratulate my friend and colleague for being elevated to the post of Deputy Speaker. I am confident that he will be he will do true justice.
That Isidore, the nature that he is a very affable person, but at the same time, थोडे दीस हांगा बसून दाखयले कितले स्ट्रिक्ट जावपाक शकता तो. आनी हांवें ताका म्हणलेंय बीन लॉंग बिफोर इट वॉज डिसायडेड दॅट हील बी द ऑनरेबल डेप्युटी स्पीकर, तूं बरो डेप्युटी स्पीकर जातलो म्हूण. स्पीकर सर, तुमी मातशे मोव आसा, एक एकदां ओगी रावता, एकटो कोण तरी कडक आसपा जाय. सो हें हांव समजलो आतां हें बरें कॉम्बिनेशन.
I wish him from the bottom of my heart a very good health. He has come out from a sickness and I hope that he continues coming out and becoming more stronger. And with you and him at the helm of affairs, Speaker sir, the assembly we hope to conduct and with constructive opposition.
Speaker sir, I rise to congratulate my good friend and colleague Sri Isidore Fernandes on being elected as Deputy Speaker.
I rise to congratulate Mr. Isidore Fernandes, who's been elected unopposed as a Deputy Speaker. I would also like to say that this assembly, we have seen a lot of, you can't call it defection, but switching over sides. I hope that he as Speaker, I understand that the present government has got the brute majority after taking some members from this side to the other side. And I only hope wisdom prevails. It's not a question of the brute majority, but it's a question of the wisdom and question of listening to the opposition.
हांव अभिनंदन करता म्हाजे इश्टाचें बाब इजिदोर फेर्नांडीस आयज डेप्युटी स्पीकर जाले आनी ह्या हावजाची रोसनाई वाडलेली आसा. आयज तेंची काणकोण मतदारसंघाची जबाबदारी गोंयची जबाबदारी आसा आनी आयज ह्या हावजाची आनी हावजाचे जे मेंबर आसा तेंची जबाबदारी वाडलेली आसा.
आज उपसभापती म्हणून तेजी निवडूक जाल्या आनीक बाब इजदोरीन विसरोंक जायना. हांव केन्ना विसरना जेन्ना आमी पॉलिटिकल अचिवमेंट करता तेन्ना कोणाचे लिडरशिपा अंडर आमी पॉलिटिकल अचिवमेंट केले ते. सो आयज आमचो इजदोर जेन्ना आमचो एक चलतालो म्हणजे अशें एक लायक मायंडेड कशें आमी इश्ट, ही इज अ ड्रायवींग फोर्स. आनी कितें डिसिजन घेता आसतना असो आसतालो इजदोर करया. सो ती एक तेका क्वॉलिटी आसा, ड्रायवींग फोर्स या मुखार. आनी ते पासत आयज ताका हांव शाबासकी दिता.
माननीय आमचे इजदोर बाब आयज उपसभापती जाल्ले आसात. हांव तेंचें अभिनंदन करता. आनी जशें आतांच न्यारीन आमचे उलयतना म्हणलें मिनिस्टर की तेंचें आमी जेन्ना आमचे भितर जेन्ना 10 जाणांचो आमचो ग्रूप आनी तातूंत भितर आमी डिस्कशन करी अनेक फावटी आमचें उलोवप जायी तेन्ना सामकी मोठ्या प्रमाणाक आनी आवाज काडून उलोवपी अशें आमचे बाब इजदोर बाब. आनी खरें हांव ताका म्हजो शेजारचो आमदार तो म्हजो केपें तालुका आनी काणकोण तालुका लागीं लागीं तातूंत भितर डिलिमिटेशन जावन थोडीशी एरिया म्हजी ताका गेल्या तेजी म्हाका आयिल्ली आसा. आनी शेजारचो आमदार नात्यान म्हजे संबंद तेज्या हातांत न्ही पयलीं त्या टायमा साकून आमचे संबंद आसात. हांव जेन्ना आमदार जावचे पयलीं जिल्ला आशिल्लो तेन्ना सुद्दां आमी लागींचे संबंद. आनी सदीस तो आमदार आसतना काम करी, मिनिस्टर जावन गेलो काम करी, तेज्या उपरांत जेन्ना आमदार नासलो तेन्नाय त्याच कळकळीन काम करी.
बाब इजिदोर फेर्नांडीस आज डेप्युटी स्पीकर म्हणून जाल्ले आसत तेजें हांव पयलीं अभिनंदन करता. आनी 99 म्हाका दिसता 99 हांवान तो बरोबर आयले. एक बरी खुशीची गजाल की 99 जेन्ना तो आमदार जाला तेन्ना हांवूय आमदार जाला आनी तोय कॉन्सिलर म्हणून पयलो जाल्लो दिसता म्हाका. कॉन्सिलरांतल्यान ग्रास रूट लेवलाचेर मनीस वयर सरला आनी पणजे रावन काणकोण निवडून आयला. म्हाजी हिस्ट्री तीच. हांव पयलो कॉन्सिलर, मडगांव रावन पेडणे निवडून आयलो. दोगांयची हिस्ट्री तीच. हांव महाराष्ट्रा बाउंड्री कडलो आमदार, तो कर्नाटकांतल्या बाउंड्री.
All the congratulations for being elected unopposed to the august post of Deputy Speaker is a great achievement.
त्या लोकशाहीच्या मंदिरात बाप आमचे इजदोर फेर्नांडीस आमदार हे उपसभापती म्हणून निवडून आयल्या. हांव तांचें अभिनंदन करता आनी खरोखरच याद करता हांव त्या खुर्चेर आसतना हांवें तांकां पॅनलान घातलेलो आनी पॅनलान घातल्या उपरांत फर्स्ट टायम जेन्ना ते त्या खुर्चेर बसले, फर्स्ट टायम बसल्या उपरांत हांव सोंपल्या उपरांत म्हाका ते भायर मेळ्ळे. इज व्हेरी मच हॅप्पी. म्हणजे खूब जाणांक हांवें त्या खुर्चेर बसोवपाची संदी दिली, बट सगळ्यांत चड हॅप्पी जावपी जर मनीस कोण आसतले जाल्यार खरें ते आशिल्ले. तांच्यांनी म्हाका एक गजाल मुद्दामून सांगली, दोतोर म्हणपा लागलो हांव खूब खूश आहा म्हणपा लागलो. हांवें खूब जाणां बसल्या म्हण ना म्हणपाक लागलो, आपूण खूब खूश म्हणपा लागलो. आपल्या काणकोणाच्यान म्हणालो, आपल्या वोटरांनी फोन केलो म्हणलो, खबर ना म्हणलो त्या खुर्चेची व्हॅल्यू कितें आहा ती, थंय बसल्या उपरांत पावर कितें आहा ती म्हणलो आपल्याक थंय बसल्या उपरांत कळ्ळी. इट इज ट्रू. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर ही चेअर ह्या सभागृहांतली सगळ्यांत व्हडली चेअर ज्या खुर्चेर तुमी आयज बसल्या. आनी जशें म्हटलां की उपसभापती जेन्ना तुमच्या खुर्चेर बसता तांकांय तितकीच पावर आसा. पण एक गजाल खूब म्हत्वाची आसा, त्या खुर्चेर बसल्या उपरांत तुमी न्यूट्रल जाता, उपसभापती न्यूट्रल जाता, बट तुमच्या सायडीक आशिल्लें हे देशाची घटना आनी तुमच्या त्या सायडीक आशिल्लो तो रूल बूक होय तेज्या खातीर खूब म्हत्वाचो आसा.
Speaker sir, with your permission, I would like to first thank my family because without good cooperation from your family, you cannot do work, social work. And first, good thing should come from the house. And हें तर बरें कॉपरेशन मेळत जाल्यार तुज्यांनी संवसारान जायत तें काम करूं येता. So first, I would like to thank my wife and my children. Secondly, I would like to thank the people of Penjim who elected me and my wife first time as councillors together, which was at that time a record. From there, I must thank my all Kankon people because their even after staying in Panjim, even though I was originally from Kadkon, but staying in Panjim, getting elected there, they putting faith in you and getting me elected, I will never forget it. Because that is the reason, even after losing 3 times in that constituency, after that Kankana constituency, still I work for them. Because those are the people, those are my loving people who brought me to this politics. Until today, they have faith in me, and that is the reason of Kankonkar people that I am today here as Deputy Speaker, sir. Secondly, I have seen most of the chief ministers. Most of the chief ministers I have seen. Most of the chief ministers I have taken to my residence in Kankana, either for lunch or for tea. Everybody visited my house. Even though I was out of power, but whoever was there, but my bad luck, I never became a minister. Even when I became an independent MLA, Congress had 21, and I was one independent MLA. And 19 were either MG and all those. But at that time, Congress did not consider me, even though I was promised as a minister. But they did not give me post at that time. Last moment they said, no, you are not in the list. I still got that grudge, but I never left Congress. One thing, we should be straightforward. आम्ही hypocrite जावं शकना. Some people said, तू हारे उडी मार. See, when you are in the opposition, you always think of going that side or throwing that government. It should be fair, because always you want to be on the ruling side. Any MLA will think, Baba, when you are this side, how to throw this government. And all these times, we were planning. I was planning all these years to be on the ruling side. But to my bad luck, maybe, I was not able. But this time, when late Chief Minister Baba Manohar Parrikar, I can't forget him, because he has helped me many times. He wanted me on his side, but I don't know what happened, but I will not disclose. But Mr. Sudhin, Honorable Minister, at that time, called me in the night in the house and told me, Isidore, don't throw this government. Don't resign and leave the party and go to BJP and then come back to Congress. Don't do that. I said, no, I'm the government. But I did not listen to him at that time. He was the only minister at that time who told me not to resign. But I resigned. And that was the record in the whole of India. First MLA to resign under the one MLA has to resign and go to the other party. Anti-defection law, which was introduced. Because you could not just leave the party and join other. You had to resign. So I was the first MLA who resigned whole of India. So my saying is this, that I must thank my people, one thing, because they always cooperated with me. And now when I'm elected after the gap of 3 terms I was not MLA. All the 3 times I lost. Still I did not leave the people. I fought. People said, no, you sit is there. I sat, I got elected this time. Still, we were in the opposition. To our bad luck. But, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Parrikar, always, whenever I went for him for any work, he did my work. He wanted me, that side. But I said, some people are refusing me to go. And like this, I took years. 1 year, 2 years. But I had an intention. And we were planning. As congressmen, I'm telling you. We were planning to throw the government. But we did not succeed. We did not succeed. As the days passed, elections came, then our good friends went that side. They got elected, parliament election took place, and a full scenery of my well-wishers, my Catholic community people, mine, who were always with me, they said they were objecting me to go to BJP at that time. The moment results came, and Prime Minister Mr. Modi became the Prime Minister second term with biggest majority. Here in Goa, we lost 3 seats. Only Babush came. They said, "Isda tu ani raunaka, tu was BJP." The Krishna upon be sold to them. These are the words of my Catholic people. And today we are 15 in Catholic people in BJP. So that shows that this party is secular.